Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your username on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft Connect application. You can do that, of course, if you have struggles with doing that, you can go and to our YouTube channel where we have a separate video how you can download it. Then let's see what we have in front of us. So on the left side of the screen, we have the home, library, store, Ubisoft Plus, and your account here. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager and the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your username or on Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, of course, as I told you, log into your account and then click in of course, on your profile here. And when you're there, you just need to go and click on profile. Now, when you're on your profile, here you can go and edit everything. So basically you have the about, where you have your linked accounts and everything. So you have those things. And here we have the settings, where you have your general settings and all of these interfaces and everything. We have the other things here. So when you're on your profile here, you just need to go here. You can go and change your profile picture. Here you can go and change your name and all of the things that you would of course like. So guys, that will be everything for this video. And guys, I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.